since I'm here today out on the showroom floor, I figured that I'd show you guys how proper agitation makes a difference in carpet cleaning. So what we're going to do is I've got this black rug here, and what we're going to do is show you that it's full of pink sand. We've filled it with pink sand down to the nap, but you really can't see it there. We're going to have to agitate this to get it all up. First up, we've got the Riccar R10CV Cordless. Has a battery pack there on the back, as you can see, if it'll focus. There we go. Alright, so we're going to take a look at how much sand is actually in this carpet. Now we're going to try it with the Dyson V6 cordless. Alright, so what I'm going to do real quick is I'm actually going to vacuum this really well with the Dyson. And just so you guys know that I'm not cheating, I'll go ahead and move over to the Riccar. Let's see what the Dyson missed. Look at all that. So, now that you've seen how agitation can help you clean your carpet, come on into House of Vacuums and check out Riccar. They are the best cleaning line of vacuums that I have ever used. Come on down.